Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. All right. So let's see. No news today. Um, FOMC member 8 a.m. Orange folder and factory orders. Yellow folder. Nothing special today. Unless Trump says something about tariffs. I got to be careful for that. Um, let's see. Tuesday. Good morning. Good morning. Tuesday, FOMC, 9 p.m. Trump speaks. Think we're gonna be okay then? We have two orange folders at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Yeah, I guess it could maybe do something. Wednesday, nada. Wednesday we got nothing. Thursday, red folder 8:30. Okay, now we're starting to get a little movement. And then Friday, PPI. That should be pretty strong movements for sure. All right. Well, that's the news so far. Now we got to see how the New York Stock Exchange is going to open up today. Um, Let me minimize that. Current ATR is about in 19. Not terrible. Average trading range is not terrible. It's not very high, so that's good. That means when we kick into New York session, it'll jump into a good range. Um, let's see. All right, so we got the 1 hour time frame. We got the 5 minute time frame here. Let's see how the market opened up during the Asia session on Sunday. So it looks like there is a new week opening gap that has not been filled. So it looks like the market opened up about right here. This is Sunday at 6 p.m. and there's a little gap, a little imbalance, and it completely dumped. Probably because Trump put another tariff, global tariff, so automatically dumped as soon as it opens. Let's see. So might want to go up and fill that if it hasn't already. No, it hasn't. It's filled some of the imbalances, but not the main one. Could possibly do it now in the New York session. Uh, let's see. And you can see the gap here slightly on the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, it's like right here. This little gap. We could put a little gap. So we know that that's there. And yeah, so just zoom in there just to make sure I got this gap right. Okay. It's so small. On the 5 minute, it's obviously bigger, but on the 1 hour, it's a little baby gap right there. But yeah, price usually wants to go up and fill that. Price is above EMA 50 and VWAP. So on the 1 hour, we do have EMA 200 right here on the 1 hour. So it could chop around here until it gets up here. We'll see. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome back. Let's see if we can continue on the weekly win streak that's been going for more than 5 weeks already. Let's see if we can keep that going. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see how today goes. So, again, there's a little gap for the new week that just opened. I did a little space there. On the 1 hour, it's super small. On the 5 minute, obviously, it's a little bigger. Um, let's see if ES had the same situation. No, I don't think ES has an imbalance. Or does it? Am I crazy? Oh, not really. Not really. No, I think it is balanced on ES. So, yeah, it might not go up there. It might go up there someday this week, or it could be today. It could be any day. Alrighty. So today we're gonna try and pass this damn eval. I'm thinking maybe either 20 micros or 30. We'll see. We'll see. Let's start with 20. That's two minis. I know what we need to pass this eval, since I did such a crazy ass trade last week, which was not intentional. I mean, the trade itself, yes, that's the trade I wanted to take. The amount of sizing that I put on the trade, obviously not the amount that I would risk normally. But of course, my trade played out very beautifully, and I ended up with a lot of money. But it didn't work out great for the evaluation because they require a 50% consistency. And obviously, if I hit $10,000 in one trade, how do I stay consistent or 50% or less? I would have to hit $10,000 again to be at 50%. So we're going to have to try that, or I'm just going to have to keep getting like 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000 until I bring that consistency down. Those are the two ways to get the consistency down. Now, if I see an amazing trade opportunity, maybe I'll shoot for the whole 10K. Let me pull up the eval stats so you guys could see, because it kind of tells you what I need, right? So as you can see here, this is the major. I got the account 50K. Boom, 10,000. Now it's at 60K. I think I made like whatever, a few $100 on it last week, just messing around for you guys. But yeah, consistency is at literally 97. As you could see, my drawdown is 10K. So I could lose easily, I don't know. I could easily lose 5K and still have another 5K of drawdown. Um, I recommend you guys size accordingly to whatever account size you guys have. But yeah, to pass this account, I would have to hit $9,829, and I would pass this evaluation because it'll get me under the 50% consistency if I hit that. Yeah, pretty tough. Or I could simply just hit like 2,000 consistently, if I could do that consistently, right? Throughout the week, and we'll get this down to 50% that way. So that is another way to do it. Let's see what happens. Either way, it's an evaluation. It cost me, honestly, like 60 something dollars, maybe $70. Um, and I have plenty of time still. So as you can see, those are the little days that I did. 10,000, $80, and 150 on Friday. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do something serious because this is not gonna work to pass it. We're gonna have to do a move, man. Look at this shit right here. It just made $10,000 on an AM. It wasn't. I couldn't close the trade. I couldn't close it. You know. It worked out on my other accounts because it was they're funded accounts, but this account, yeah, not too great. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. Um, if you guys have any questions for me whatsoever, I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Make sure to put it in the chat. Um, and yeah, let's get ready for that New York Open. ATR is currently at 18, so it's looking decent. Make sure you get your coffee. There's still time. Get your setup ready. I mean, if you're tuning in for the first time, welcome. We're trading the NASDAQ Futures. And this is Trading with David 305. Good morning, Lauren. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see if we can hit a banger today. I think ATR is pretty good. ATR is looking good. So let's see here. In case you guys don't know the sound effects that I use whenever I think the market's going to be going up, I obviously do.
Green Giant.
You're going to hear that. Whenever I think the market's going to start dumping, you're probably going to hear this sound.
Tactical nuke incoming!
And then I play other sound effects as I'm in the trade. So stay tuned for that. But those are the two sound effects that you probably need to get familiar with. And for you that have watched the stream before, you've probably heard them. So let's see. Let's see. Good morning. So it looks like the market is kind of choppy actually. Looks like it's been going sideways for some time now. I mean, on the lower time frames, it looks like it might begin to start pumping to the upside. You know, it did this little pump here, retested VWAP and EMA 50, and is kind of showing like a little bounce. Might want to come up here, but we do have resistance here with the pivot and an EMA 200 on the 1 hour. So, and then as you can see on the 5-minute time frame, it is trying to break away from the EMAs and VWAP. Good morning. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna mark out just 2-3 levels here with the ray. This is the London Open right here, more or less. That's 25,000, really? Wow, what are the chances? This is old. Let me take that out of here so I don't confuse anybody. And this is old too. All right, so that's 24. Yeah, 25,004.25. If you can see that. And then we're gonna put the bottom of London, another ray, which is about right here. Is this one lower than the other one? Nah, close enough. I think they both hit like the same spot. Right there, close enough. London's right about there. So at 24,876. And let's mark out Asia low. Dun, 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 dun. Asia low here. All right, so the Asia low, there you go. We got 24,806 as the Asia low. Some key zones, you'll want to mark them out. And then, of course, the most important one is the new weekly opening gap from Sunday. Looks like Asia opened up with a bit of a gap, also known as a fair value gap or imbalance in price, whatever you want to call it. Usually wants to come back to fill those. Okay, that's that. And that one is at, give or take, 25,059. All right, guys. So let's level this out here. And ATR is at 19, so it's getting a little bigger, turning a little more volatile. I will just be trading the eval today. See if we could get a couple thousand on there. Or 1,000. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we can get. Either I'll do 20 micros or 30 micros. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let me switch this up. Good morning. Good morning. Did you guys wake up with that cold weather outside or what? Friggin' 40 degrees over here in Miami. When will this end? Help us. When will it end? It's never ending, man. Every time it starts getting 90 degrees, it was like super hot yesterday. And then you wake up today and it's freaking 30 degrees outside. Like super bipolar, man. It's just getting out of hand. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. It is getting ridiculous, man. Let's see, let's see. Are you guys ready? Y'all ready? Happy Monday. Let's go. Let's get some money. Let's get some money. Can I keep the weekly winning streak alive? It's been 5 weeks already, guys. I have 30 videos on YouTube since I started, so that means I've been doing it. Yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, 2 weeks. So a month and 2 weeks I've been live. Monday through Friday, technically. Obviously, Saturday and Sunday don't count. So yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And I hope you guys are learning discipline, learning what to wait for, you know. Waiting for that orb, being patient. We got about 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange open. It should open up pretty volatile, I think. So just let's wait those first 15 minutes. Let's see what the ATR goes to. Risk accordingly. This is not financial advice, but just risk accordingly, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So yeah, earlier we looked at the news. There's no news today. Back to the news. Nada. Nothing for Monday. Tuesday, Trump speaks at 9. We're not going to be trading at 9. That's Asia session. Um, unless you like Asia session, then that might work out for you. There is 2 orange folders at 10 a.m., so that's could do something. Possibly, possibly not. Wednesday, we got nothing. Thursday, unemployment claims, red folder. And then Friday, we got PPI. So Friday, there should be pretty strong movements. But remember, guys, if there's no news here, it doesn't mean that Trump cannot send out a tweet or on X or say something on any news show or whatever that will move the market. And you'll be like, what the hell? I just got stopped out of my position. Well, like that news that came in about the Supreme Court, you know, that wasn't on the docket. Obviously, that was news that we've been waiting for, but we didn't know when it was going to come out, and it came out at 10 a.m. On Friday. And then you could see the video of me on Friday. If you were watching, you see it obviously moved over 100 points when that news came out in to the upside. So that was interesting. And then it looks like it dumped here. It looks like it dumped when he said he was going to put more tariffs. So I'm sure that day was pretty crazy. Pretty crazy day. It pumped. Yeah, there it is. This was the pump from the news. And as you can see, it wicked all the way down. Tapped EMA 200, ripped right back up, came back down, tapped EMA 50, tapped VWAP, came back up. So it turned very choppy, a lot of uncertainty. And then on Sunday when it opened up, it just dumped during Asia session here. And it chopped around down here at this low. We got a pullback, or maybe it'll keep pumping up again. It's hard to tell, but there is an imbalance that I marked it out here. And there's obviously an imbalance here on the 5-minute time frame from the new week opening gap. Alrighty. Market opens very soon, guys. New York Open. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let's see. Should I just do the eval today? Or should I do one of the evals and funded accounts and use the copy trader? I know I said I won't use the copy trader again, but sometimes you gotta use it. Like if you want to advance more than just one account. So yeah, if I use the copy trader, I don't want to have a crazy ass trade. Either blow all my accounts or do some crazy trade again. If I use the copy trader again. Oh man, that was a crazy ass day. Well, at least this time I know how to close out the order. You know, the thing is, it'll still take me, if it doesn't close out on NinjaTrader, it'll still take me a freaking at least 30 seconds to be able to close the order out. In 30 seconds, you know, guys, anything could happen. So, yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I don't, I don't know. I don't know. 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let me see something over here. Let me see something here. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so all right, yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Maybe not. Let's just relax. No copy trader yet. Let's see if we get past this damn eval. Let's focus on that. And then we get focused on the funded accounts and getting a payout, right? But either way, we're still going to look for a good trade. Still going to look for a good trade, guys. Is it cold over there in Tampa, Lauren? Should be. Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens today. Market, New York open in 3 minutes. Yeah, it's chilly. Yeah, it's definitely chilly. I know. Super chilly over here. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, I think this thing wants to pump, guys. I think it wants to pump. What do you guys think? I think this thing looks like it wants to go up. It's right there by EMA 200. It's by EMA 200 and a pivot point. So, market's about to open in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's just stay patient. Let's just stay patient, guys. Hang tight. But I do have a feeling at New York Open, everybody thinks it's going to dump. I think it's going to pump and then dump. I think. But we're going to wait. Oh, there it goes. It's ripping. Ripping to the upside here. Mm, 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 mm. Should I take a crazy ass trade? Should I take a long when the market opens at 9:30? We're going long. Let's see. Hurrah! If I do, that'd be pure gambling, guys. Pure gambling if I do some shit like that. That's not trading. That is just, oh, I think it's gonna go up. Mm, mm. But yeah, I mean, this looks like it wants to get up here and fill this imbalance, right? Looks like it, but it could flip and go down. You never know. That's the thing about the New York Open. You just never know how it's gonna react to the Open. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna rip up, take out all these swing highs here, and maybe fill this gap right here. Maybe. You guys want to have fun with one micro? Since I have so much drawdown available, take a long here with one micro.
Order filled.
Were they gonna get cooked 100 or make 120 bucks just to mess around? Right before the market opens in 30 seconds. You guys don't have to do this trade, but I'll say it's gonna go up. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's one micro, guys. Worst case scenario, we lose 100 bucks. But this is totally for entertainment purposes. This isn't even strategic at all. It's just, whatever. All right. Here we go. Market opens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess it worked out in my favor. It's working so far. Let's see if it gets up here and fills this. Is it gonna take out the? Oh, it took out the London high. Oh man. Oh, hey, we're in. We're in like Flynn on the one micro. If it comes down, it just knocks me out at 10. Oh, oh, oh my God! It edged it. Oh my God! No way. No way. It's coming back. It's coming to fill that imbalance or what? Let's mess around. We're up $49 already. I had a feeling, guys. I had a feeling it was gonna. Oh, it's gonna knock me out. No. Oh, so close. So close to TP, bro. It was like one tick away. Oh my goodness. What are the chances? That sucks. What?
Stop filled.
That was entertaining. There you go. 49 bucks. It literally got one tick away from filling my damn order at 120, man. That that was whack. So whatever. I knew it wanted to do a little pump. It filled some of the imbalance. It didn't fill the whole thing. But anyways, let's wait for a real trade, guys. Let's wait for a real trade. That was just for entertainment. ATR is at 20, okay? Entertainment only. Uh already started Monday Green. What's up, guys? Come at me, bro. Technicals, man. When you know how to read the chart, you kind of know where it's going. You kind of. But that's the thing about the open. Look how it filled that gap real and then immediately came down. Now it probably does another wick down. It wipes all the orders out before it starts the new session usually. Oh man. Damn. I should have done 100 micros. Nah. Nah, you got to preserve that mental capital. You got to preserve that. Looks like it took out the London high. It might come for this imbalance here. The new weekly imbalance. I think it definitely wants to go up there. We take another micro. Another micro here.
Order filled.
Just to the imbalance. Just to fill this imbalance here. This is such a what's it called? A horrible risk to reward here. I don't really care. It's one micro. We're just messing around. I have a feeling it wants to fill that imbalance there. I have a feeling I could be wrong, obviously. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it. There's a lot of sellers up here apparently. But shit, let's go crazy. Let's just go crazy, guys. And then we'll move the stop up. Just messing around. This is just messing around, okay? Oh no. We started with 50 bucks and now we're down 50 bucks if it comes down. That's okay. We're waiting for another trade. This is just messing around, guys. Let's see. Ah, faked out. Fake out. Oh, is it pumping or is it gonna dump? Is it pumping or is it gonna dump? Let's see. Next candle opens. Well, this will be the first 5-minute candle of the New York Open. We'll see. We'll see what happens. As you can see, if it comes down, we're gonna be down like 50 bucks. It's all good. This was literally just for entertainment right now. I'm not taking it. Don't take any of these trades. These are just playing around trades. We're waiting for the 15-minute orb. Okay. And is it going to pump or is it going to dump? Is it going to pump? Oh, it's going to dump. Oh, or is it going to dump? Nope, it doesn't know. It doesn't know which way to go. It doesn't know which way to go. ATR is at 23, guys. Yeah, it's going down first. Yeah, it's going to take me out. Say, nah, you want it? You should have stayed with those $47, David. Let's see. Is it going to turn into a shooting star or going to take me out and then turn into a shooting star? What a bad entry on this. On this. Look at the freaking entries all the way up there. This is why you wait for the orb, guys. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, the Bulls and the Bears are fighting it out. They are fighting it out. If we lose, we lose. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think we're in trouble. I think we're in trouble.
Stop filled.
Yeah, down $56 now. This is why. This is why I didn't trade the New York Open. Anyways, let's take it serious. Let's wait for the 15-minute orb, guys. From up $47 to down $56. Yeah, sometimes it just doesn't want to pump in the direction until, you know. Now it probably wants to dump. I mean, now it wants to probably pump up. Now it probably wants to pump up. Guys, I have over $10,000 in drawdown. So $56 is like zero. This is nothing. It's like nothing, really. Another $47 was like nothing when I was in green. So this was just for messing around. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty, let's see which way the market wants to go. We'll mark the orb out, guys, and we'll look for a serious trade, and I'll tell you when we're looking for that real trade, okay? And you know, I could be waiting for the real trade, and the real trade is the one that doesn't play out. It's possible too. So look at this. Now this thing wants to go up again. We go long.
Order filled.
David, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I think it wants to pop up here, man. I think it wants to pop up here. I feel like I'm treating this eval as like a sim account, I swear. Like, I don't really care. Let's see. Now it comes all the way down again. It stops it out. No way. Come on, man. Figure it out. NASDAQ, get up there. I know you want to fill that gap. You're so close. You're so close. Why wouldn't you want to fill that new weekly opening gap that you left? Come on. It's right here on the 1 hour. I marked it out here. If this thing comes back down, I'm going to be bamboozled. Look how crazy. Every time it gets up there, it gets sold off hard. That's wild. That is wild. Well, if it hits us, we're going to be down 150. We're down 150 if it comes right back down. But, you know, this candle looks like it wants to pump, but it's losing power, man. It's losing strength. It's going to come down, take me out, and then it's going to go up again. Oh, man. The struggle, it just doesn't want to rip. It doesn't want to rip. Like, let's see if it wants to make a freaking, oh. All right, we got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes until the orb is set, and then we'll mark the orb out. Yeah, this is cooked again. Oh, it's going to take it out. It's going to take it out. Yep, there it is. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Pop.
Stop filled.
Pop. Pop. All right, so negative 150. All right. Orb is about to be set with this candle, so we'll set the orb there, okay? Maybe it wants to fill this gap when it breaks out of orb. So it did a pump, it's doing its pullback. Maybe it'll bounce off the EMAs here. So I'm gonna look for the real trade, guys. This was just messing around. I'm gonna do 30. Let's go. Let's risk 3K. Let's risk it for the now we're looking for real money. Whoa. Reverse. It's going down, guys. Hammer time. Good thing I got out right there, huh? All right. We'll fix this. This is nothing, guys. This is nothing. You'll see. It isn't nothing. All right. So we got 3 minutes and 30 seconds until the 15-minute orb is set. And let's see what happens. Wow. Wow. What a pump and a dump. Liquidity. I was pure liquidity for the market there. That became liquidity. Can you imagine if I would have just moved my stop and kept moving my stop? I blow the eval with 1 micro. Nah. We don't do that. We have stops, all right? We have stops and we don't move those like that. Wow. Reverse. This thing is dumping. Wow.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Wow, it literally ripped through VWAP. Well, it's bouncing now at VWAP here. Let's see. This is interesting. This is a very interesting candle. Does it want to go lower? That is a possibility. It's not improbable. Very choppy, guys. At least on this. Look at this. It filled the gap. It filled most of the gap, but it didn't fill the new weekly opening gap. Maybe it thought everybody thought that, and that's why everybody just got cooked. Yeah. That's why it's kind of gambling trading that first within those first 15 minutes, man. It's that shit could go either way, man. It could really go either way. Look at it. It went all the way up here and all of a sudden it just came all the way down. So it's really hard to read, you know. But yeah, let's set this orb up and I think we're gonna take a serious trade now as soon as I mark it out. This is what we got so far right now. If it moves lower, we'll adjust it. Looks like London low is right here, so and we got VWAP. Oh, it cut right through all the EMAs right there, as you can see. Pretty crazy. It is still on top of all the EMAs on ES. So there could be a bounce. There could be a bounce. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. 30 seconds until the 15-minute orb is set. Make sure you set it on your screen. 30 seconds. I'm going to set it over here on my other computer, so I'm looking at the same thing. Whoa, might have to readjust it. It keeps going lower. Yep, definitely got to adjust it. All right, so we got to fix this. Looks like it just swept London low. All right, there's your 15-minute opening range, guys. Make sure you set that up. And let me see here. I'm going to set it up here. We still have a little bit of time, guys. Patience. Going to wait for the best trade in a moment. All right. I'm pretty sure I set the orb correctly here. Yeah. 9:45. Okay. Alrighty then. And oh wow. Switch a Rooney. This thing is dumping. This thing just flipped to dump. Interesting. Interesting. Now this shit's looking like a hammer, man. Looking like a hammer. Well, Tactica Nuke was incoming. Let's see. I'm going to mark this 15-minute orb out right here. All right. Here we go. Is it going to do a complete rejection to the upside now and turn into a massive doji on the 1 hour? That's wild. Wow. Let's see. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Let's see what happens. ATR is currently at 33. ATR is currently at 33. Let's see how it reacts to the VWAP here. If we get a retest and then it pumps down, or if it's going to rip right through it and complete V-shaped recovery. Let's see what happens. Okay, looks like it's getting rejected off VWAP. It is super undecided. Undecided. Nope. Oh, wow. I mean, if it breaks to the downside, guys, we'll take a short. If it breaks to the downside, it's going to be a strong break, though. And let's see. If it could close, like, down here, that would be great. But I don't think it's going to do it. Oh, never know. Never know. Wow. It literally ripped through all the EMAs and VWAP. Strong bearish candle. Strong bearish candle. It is retesting VWAP right now. We have about 50 seconds until this 5-minute candle is formed. All right. Okay. It doesn't know where to go. It's completely undecided right now. It looks like a chop zone. Is this thing gonna close down here? Is it gonna close? That's a rejection if I've ever seen one. Yeah, no, we're gonna wait for the break. We're gonna wait for the break, guys. You know, it did break out on ES. We're gonna wait for the break. It did break to the downside on ES, tapped VWAP, and now it's obviously doing its pop right back up. So we're just gonna stay patient and see how this reacts to VWAP. Stay patient, guys. We're still inside the orb. I'm going to take a 30 micro trade with the eval. So let's see. Okay. Complete pump to the upside now. Wow. If this thing closes up here, guys, I'm taking a long. I'm not going to wait for a breakout. I'm just letting you know. If it closes up here green, I might just take a long. And it could be a pullback on the short, but it could be a complete rejection to the downside. There's a liquidity down here, and it could be ripping through this. It could inverse this imbalance right here. So let's see. Let's see how it reacts. Let's wait. We got 3 minutes. Whoa. Yeah, it's pushing hard now. It's pushing. Interesting. It's looking like a little pullback on ES, but on NQ, it looks like a complete reversal. This is a tricky one, man. This one is tricky. Looks like it's getting rejected here off the pivot point. I need to see a strong closure up here, man, to go long. This thing is freaking super undecided. Look at this. Look at this cross right here, man. This is complete dojiness. Wow. All right. We're going to stay patient, guys. It might just wanted to fill that imbalance. If it could, completely reject and then continue going lower. There's still an imbalance here and a little bit left here. So we'll see which way it wants to go first. Yeah. 2 minutes. I mean, if it closes up here, I'll take a long. And I know that sounds crazy. Some people shorted up here because the move was... But on the higher time frames... might want to do a V-shaped recovery. I don't know. It looks like it keeps getting rejected. Sellers are slightly stronger right now. Let's see. Let's see if the bulls can take control. Let's see if the bulls can take control again. Yeah, this looks very... It looks like it wants to go bearish. We're going to stay patient, guys. We're going to stay patient. Let's see what it wants to do. We got to wait for a breakout, man. Either to the upside or the downside, but it's inside the orb still, even though it is outside to the downside of the orb on ES. Let's see what happens, guys. Good morning. Let's see what happens, guys. We're staying patient. ES is running to the downside. S&P 500 is dumping to the downside right now. I don't. Let's see if NQ wants to follow. Crazy. One is going up and the other one's going down right now. ES is going down and NQ is going up. That is not good. ATR is at 38, guys. ATR is at 38. Good day, good day. ES is dumping. ES is dumping. But NQ is trying to go up. I don't even know what the hell's going on here, man. This could be a chop day. This could be a chop day. It could stay inside or all day. Let's see. Okay. It just tapped one of the EMAs on ES. It is just hanging around VWAP. It's hanging around VWAP on ES. And as you can see, the same on NQ. It's just hanging there. I don't know if they're waiting for something or look how undecided or indecided this damn candle is. It's a complete freaking cross. It doesn't know if to go up or down. Figure it out, man. Come on, we're trying to trade here. Give us a clear direction, please. Or some sort of direction. It doesn't even have to be that clear, but give us some sort of direction. What do you guys think is going to happen? Dump or pump? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Put in the chat if you guys think it's going to dump or if it's going to pump. Okay. It's dumping. It's dumping on ES. Making its way down. Will NQ follow ES? That is the question. Will NQ follow? It is struggling to go higher, that's for sure. And it is bearish on the 1 hour, so still some space here to be filled. Come on, let's get some strong direction here. I don't think it wants to pump. I do think it wants to dump. But it could reverse, man. It's super undecided. Super undecided. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till breakout. I'm going to stay patient. Even though ES is dumping and it broke out to the downside, it kind of lowers my confluence if it already broke out of orb on ES. Yeah, this thing is going down. All right, that's the new 1 hour candle, by the way. So hopefully it doesn't run too far down. Let's see. We got to stay patient, guys. We got to stay patient. There's no way to trade this at the moment. It is super undecided. Some days, man, it just chills inside the middle of orb. playing with everybody's emotions. Price doesn't know where to go. Price does not know where to go. Let's see what happens, guys. Alrighty. Let's see, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. This thing is going sideways. Complete sideways. Oh my goodness. Come on. Figure it out, NASDAQ. And now it's going up. Come on. Figure it out. Shit's going sideways here. As you can see, sideways action. Sideways. What a mess. This is just chopping people out right now, thinking it's going to go in either direction. Looks like ES is struggling to go lower. It did break down to the downside, but NQ is trying to go up and ES is trying to go down. It's kind of like they're both battling each other to be the leader. Let's see. This is this is the battle right now. The bears, the bulls.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do here, guys? Oh, I blinked for a second, man. This thing now is dumping. Now it's dumping. There's the dump. I mean, it rejected off. We're gonna take the short then. I mean, 30 seconds. I'll take the short. This shit better dump, bro. ES is dumping. Everybody's dumping. Don't pop up on me. If you pop up on me, I'm gonna lose 3K on this eval. That's not a good look. All right, ATR is at 38, 10 seconds. Gonna take the shorty. Gonna take the shorty here.
Order filled.
All right, and we're off to the races. And let's see if we can hit 3,600 or get cooked for 3,000. ATR is at 42. I want to protect my stop. Let's put it here. Let's move this lower. So at least we have a good risk to reward. All right, we're risking 5K, guys. We're risking 5K on the eval. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Up 600. Oh, shit, David. How'd you know? Up the 1,000. We're going to have auto trail kicking at 40 points. Let's see. I think this thing wants to go. Come on. Come on. Dump for me. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Don't play with me. Come on.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh my goodness. This thing better dump. Don't tell me you just went out on a few points. If this shit takes me out, well, that sucks on the eval. I'll tell you that much. But we still have like 10,000 of drawdown. So let's see what happens, guys. I think it wants to go lower. To be honest, it just if it wants to go higher and then go lower, then damn. Damn. Come on, you rejected off all the freaking EMAs and VWAP. Now you want to go back up? Oh. But it did hit a swing low. It did hit a swing low on freaking ES. So maybe that's the pop-up we're getting. The damn pullback. It did hit a swing low on ES. But I think the leader here should be NQ. Come on. Come on, NQ. Push it down. Push it down. Don't kill me. Come on. Don't kill me. Let's see. Let's see what happens. You got to have big ones for this one. I put my stop at the top of the handle stick. So, I mean, if it wants to go up there, it just could be a complete reversal to the upside. And risking 5,265 to make 5,385 on the eval. That would be that doesn't look good. That would be a lot closer to passing the damn eval. So let's see. This could be the retest, This could be the retest. Let's go. Let's go. Get down there, baby. Let's go. I believe you want to go lower. I believe it. I believe you want to go low. I don't think you want to go higher, but I could be wrong also. It did tap this imbalance here, I think it might want to hit the swing low. Swing low. Overall trend. This was halfway pop. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully I got a good spot. All we can do is just wait. Wait. Either we get cooked or we do the cooking. What we could do. Should I? I don't even know if I should. So this was the Asia low. Yeah. This blue line here was the Asia low. I could put sell 15 out of the 30 there. So we can sell half of the position size there. Let's go. Let's go, baby. And we're going to put...
Order submitted.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. Oh, my God. Whatever. I'm going to let it ride, bro. Fudge. It's going to go all the way. They have limit size orders on the damn eval. You can't... Whatever. It's retarded. I could probably sell 10, not 15. Let's sell 10. It'll let me do 10. I know that. So let's do 10 right here. Sell 10.
Order submitted.
Yeah, there you go. Oh my God. Come on, go lower. What are you doing? Bruh. Now this thing inverses here and goes all the way to the freaking moon and pops me. It filled the damn gap and it completely bounced. Let's go. Let's get a flush. Let's get a flush to the downside. Come on. Let's go. Not looking good. Not looking good. Let's see. This is a pullback. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a complete reversal. Oh, come on, man. Stop playing around. Let's get a dump. Let's get a dump. Let's see. 3 minutes until the 15-minute candlestick closes. Hopefully it closes a lot more bearish because it is showing signs that it wants to go to the upside. And that will not be good for us. All right, come on. Let's go. Get back down. Get down. Don't inverse that candle. Don't. If it does an inversion here to the upside, we could be in trouble. It could want to pop up higher. Let's see. Let's see. That's a good rejection. We got about 2 minutes though still. Anybody else take the short here? Anyone else take the short? All right, 15 minutes candlestick. Looks like it wants to close out of orb. Finally. Let's see if we could get it. Come on. Don't close green. Don't do it. ATR is at 43, guys. ATR is at 43, so yeah. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go. ES is a hammer. Come on. ES is hammering down. NQ needs to follow.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Come on. Get down. Get down. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Come on. Flip red. Let's go. It's losing strength down there, man. There's a lot of freaking buyers. There's a lot of freaking buyers. It is losing the strength to go lower. All right, 38 seconds. Will it finally go down, or is it going to rip to the upside? Is it finally going to go lower, or is it going to rip to the upside and destroy us? What do you guys think? What do you guys think is going to happen? Okay, well, that candle is not pretty. But at least on the 15-minute, it did break to the downside. Hey, all right. 15-minute did break to the downside. It broke out of orb, so good chance. Hopefully it wants to go lower. But if it goes back up, then it is a complete chop zone. No, no. Come on, get down. Go lower. At least let my auto trail kick in. At least 40 points to the downside, man. Come on. Oh my God. The struggle is real. I mean, anything could happen at this point. Overall, at least I'm trying to go with the trend here. Trying to go with this trend. Hopefully it's my friend. All right, back in the green temporarily, and back to the entry. Let's see. Let's see if we could get something here, man. Let's see. How we looking? I mean, 15-minute time frame looks like it's pretty bearish. 4-hour is dumping. It is losing. It does look like it's losing strength on ES though to go lower. It looks like it's losing some strength. Yeah. This thing is just playing with us. It could go lower, it could go higher. I mean, it's in a zone. It gave us a couple opportunities to take profit, but I don't know, man. Back into the negative. This thing could flip and just go green now. It's looking real weak right now. Not good. Not looking good, guys. Okay. Hopefully this pullback doesn't completely reverse. Let's see. Okay, got sold. And the buyer, I mean the bulls are pretty strong. I mean this could freaking chop here all day. Let's see. It's at 24,955. Let's see. I mean, hopefully the pullback doesn't wreck us. Right back into orb. Good thing it's just an evaluation. That's the good thing. We're not trading other funded accounts. Let's see if this thing works in our favor. It is a trade that I would take. You know, it broke all the EMAs and VWAP to the downside, broke out pretty strong. You know, if it completely reverses to the upside, then it's just part of probability. But most of the time with a move like this, usually continues going down. Doesn't pop up like this. It's just a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. Overall, the trend is down here. Overall, this was like a pullback. It might go lower. So it's not a bad trade, I don't think. I think it does want to go lower, or just hopefully it doesn't swing so high up that it knocks me out and then goes lower. That's the key. ATR is at 43 and my stop is way more than 50 points. So it has a good amount of wiggle room. It has about 86 points of freaking wiggle room. So let's see what happens. We do have VWAP and all the EMAs kind of protecting the stop. Kind of. Okay. It just hit VWAP. Okay. Hopefully we get a strong rejection to the downside now. Let's go. Or not enough sellers at VWAP. Let's see. Let's go. Come on. Get down there. Get down there. Dump. Dump, 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 dump. Come on, dump off VWAP. Yeah. It's gonna rip right through VWAP and all the damn EMAs now. Look at this shit. It just turned into a damn doji. This is whack. Whack attack. Come on. Come on, VWAP. Push it down. Push it down. Ah, this thing is now turning into a shooting star. Not good. Not good, guys. Uh-oh.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Yeah, not good if that pops me. But it is what it is. You got to understand the risk on the table. All right, so it's hitting all the EMAs, really. If it rips through that, this thing might want to shoot to the moon at this point. I don't know. Got about 3 minutes left on this candle, so let's see. Let's see how it reacts to the VWAP and all the EMAs there. Super choppy, man. Super choppy. We're not getting a clear direction, obviously. At least not yet. It kind of showed it wanted to go lower, but now it's popping right back up. Let's see what happens here. Got about 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. ES is looking weak. ES looks like it's pushing down a bit. Hopefully NQ can follow. Let's go. Come on. Give me the dump I'm looking for. All the way to TP. Gotta be patient here. Gotta be patient. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Hammer time. Hammer time. Come on. 1 minute and 45 seconds until this candle closes. Hopefully it closes very bearish. Not bullish. For our sake. Come on. Come on. There we go. Is anybody else in a short right now? Let me know in the chat, guys. Or you guys didn't take the short. Or your stop was too small. You got to put a big stop loss, guys. ATR is at 43. So it has to be at least 50 points or more to survive these swings here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get back down there. Get back down there. Let's go. Oh, so close. So close to dumping. So close to dumping. Oh my goodness. A big buyer down there, I guess. It literally tapped that buyer and it just popped right back up. Chop fest, guys. Might be cooked. Might be cooked. Not good. I wanted this candle to close red, but looks like it's struggling here. We're really close to getting stopped out. Okay. This candle closes in 2 seconds as a doji. Complete indecision. Yeah. Not good. Not good. That means it doesn't know which way to go. It could go either way now. It could legit flip to the upside or flip to the downside. I mean, it's a 50-50 right now. It's a 50 coin toss. I mean, ES is dumping, so hopefully NQ could follow. I don't know, man. Hopefully it hasn't dumped more than it wanted to. Let's see. Come on, get down there. There we go. Win or lose. You gotta hang on. Gotta hang on for this roller coaster here. Come on. Get there. Let's go. Right back up. Come on, let's get a dump. How are we looking over here? Let's see. Not good. It refuses to go lower. What the hell is going on here, man? It's just struggling. Crazy. Yeah. Again, this is a coin toss at this point. If it doesn't rip to the downside, it might rip to the upside at this point. It's just the 4 hour is kind of undecided. The 15-minute is super choppy. 15-minute is very choppy. ES 5-minute is kind of struggling to go lower. And Q, as you can see, is just undecided right now. Okay. Is that changing now? Is it gonna flip lower? Come on, baby. Let's go. At least the auto trail kick in at least at 40 points, you know. Whatever. Or hit at least the 10 micros. What do we got? What do we got? Every time it gets down there to my entry, it bounces right back up. Every time it gets to my entry. Let's see. Just gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. Oh, wow. I just saw green. I just saw green for the first time in like 20 minutes. I saw green, 30 bucks. Right back to negative. It bounces. It's bouncing off my entry, guys. It's bouncing right off my entry. Let's hopefully it can rip right through it. Don't worry, it's going down. I'm not worried. Either way, it's an eval. And I like to think the trend is my friend, right? Overall, the trend is down. It did a little pop up. It wants to go down, but you know, hopefully I have enough wiggle room to get the whole move down. But I appreciate the confidence boost. Let's see, 40 seconds. This candle closes. Hopefully it closes very bearish through my entry. Let's go. It's turning into a hammer on the 15-minute time frame. So hopefully we can get a nice flush. A nice flush down. Come on. Oh, green again. Wow. I saw it for like 2 seconds. I saw it. Come on. Come on. Go lower. Go lower. It's in a chop zone, man. Straight chop. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NQ. Deliver. Deliver. Let's get a nice little 40-point drop from right there. 40-point drop. Don't go sideways on me, please. Even though it's been going sideways. Let's see. Let me show you guys the P&L so you guys can keep an eye on that. But yeah, Let's see. I mean, I'm telling you, my entry is the resistance. Hey, let's see if we can break through that support of my entry. Is the damn support level. Okay, here we go. Oh, so close. Are we gonna get the flush? Come on, let's flush at least 40 points down, please. At least 40 points. At least 40 points. There we go. There we go. A little more. A little more. Oh my goodness. The struggle. The struggle to go lower. Hey, there we go. Come on. Rejection off VWAP. Let's get a nice flush. Come on. Struggled. It's struggling, man. It's struggling. There. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. It's trying. It's really trying. It's just been super choppy in this zone here. Let's see if it could break to the downside finally. Come on. Let's see how we looking over here. Hey, okay. Come on, a little more. Is it gonna create a new swing low? Oh, so close. So close. Oh, 700. Can we get it? Oh, man. It is just bouncing. Every time it goes there, it just bounces. Wow, what a bad one. Just, it did make a lower low than the previous candle on the 15-minute. Oh, it's at a support pivot on ES. I just noticed that. Shit. That's not good. I should have probably closed it out there. Let's see if we can break through that support pivot on ES. Oh, no. It literally tapped the support pivot on ES because ES has been dumping obviously a lot stronger than NQ. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. Back with the BS. This is crazy right here. Chop fest, man. Chop, chop, chop. Okay. Man, this thing is giving me freaking whiplash. Complete whiplash. 1 second it's ripping up. The next second it's trying to go lower. It can't go lower. It rips back up. Like, come on, man. Struggle is real. I got to get at least 10 points if it hits the swing low. I got to get at least 10 points at this point. I've been waiting for this way too long. At least 10 points. I'm saying, like, sometimes like I'm half asleep, guys. I mean 10 micros, not 10 points. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Tap the swing low. Let's get rid of at least 10 micros, and then we'll leave 20 micros to run. We could, once it hits, if it hits the 10, which I hope it does. Come on. Come on. We'll sell another 10 at the Asia low. There we go. Come on. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it, you bastard. Tap it. Tap it. Oh man, this thing just loves to play with you. It's playing with everybody's emotions. Come on, let's sell 10 right there. Let's sell it.
Order filled.
Hey, we got 10 sold. All right. We're going to sell another 10 right
Order
here.
submitted.
All right. So this is where we're at. We're at 382 so far, but if we get cooked, 3K, we're cooked. Or 3,000. Let's see if we could get at least to this Asia low point. And then probably have auto trail kick in. So let's do that. Let's see what we could do here. Let me you see how I adjust to what's happening, guys? You gotta adjust to what's happening. There you go. Sometimes you don't have to adjust at all. You could just, let it ride, and hey, maybe I would have got the whole 5K or whatever, But let's see. Can we get a dump? Can we get a dump to the swing low here where I have 24,807? 24,807. Let's do just a little high. 809. Let's do it right there. Let's not get too greedy. Don't tell me you pop up now. Please, don't play with me like that. Come on. Come on. Get down there. If it gets a little lower, I think the auto trail would have kicked in. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me this shit's going to pop up now. Don't tell me. Oh my God. No way. Come on, flush it. Let's go, flush. Yeah, usually when it hits a swing low, it does a little pop up. So, yeah. Oh, boy. Come on, let's get a push to the downside.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Come on. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it now. Let's get a flush. Let's go to that swing low. The next swing low is obviously where my other partial is. So I took a partial of 10 here. This will be another, and then we'll have 10 running with auto trail kicked in probably. Let's go. Come on. Went through a lot of suffering, guys. A lot of suffering through this. I took the short here. It popped all the way here. Obviously, you got a great rejection off VWAP. And we're here currently. Let's see if we could get a little lower to this swing low down here on the 1 hour. Might take a little bit of time, but hopefully it doesn't swing up and pop me out. That would be bad. ATR is currently at 44 on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see, guys. Will this thing play out? Will it play out, or is it gonna pop to the upside? Once it hits 40 points in profit, auto trail will kick in. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on. Let's get a flush. Just a quick elevator down, guys. Quick elevator down. Oh, so close. So close. Elevator down. Come on. At least tap that 10 micros. So I can sell those two, and then I have 10 left. Nah, let's see. 4 minutes left on the 15-minute time frame. Candle. Oh my God, what is this? This is a grind. This shit is a grind. Complete grinder. I mean, guys, if I close it out right now, I'm up 1,300, but the goal is a lot more. I'm trying to pass this eval, man. I don't know. I really don't want this shit to pop up here. Come on. Come on. Flush it. Flush it lower. Let's go lower. Let's go lower. There we go. Come on. Flush. Flush. Let's go. Oh, you were so close to doing it. Come on. Get here. Come on. Come on. All right. Auto trail could kick in any second now. Auto trail could kick in. It might want to fill this little. There we go. Let's do that. Yeah, I'm gonna sell 10 there. I don't
Order
want...
filled.
All right, guys. Let's let it ride. It's going down. All right, man. Hey, I'm just gonna let it ride and see what happens. And it is what it is. Hopefully, it doesn't pop up and take my stop loss out. But whatever, guys. Let's see if it could get down here. I know this is a lot to ask for. We took 2 partials here, and we're gonna let it run in profit. So if it comes back up and stops me out at 200, we'll end at, yeah, like 1,500, I think. Whatever, guys. I'm just trying to even out the consistency on the damn eval. Wasn't a bad short. It was just, you know, I had to have a big stop loss because ATR is at 30. I'm sorry, 40 something, 42, 43 right now on the 5-minute. So we're just gonna let it ride. Whatever happens, happens at this point. Let's see. If it flips to the upside, it flips. There should be a strong reaction once it taps here, though. So, you know, we have, technically we have one mini running right now. So hopefully it doesn't flip to the upside and take out the, stop us in profit at 200 bucks. But let's see. Let's see. Hey, we're getting lower. All right, 230 now. Getting lower. Can we get a flush? Yes. 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 Yeah. Let's go. Who took the short with me, guys? Who took that short with me? Who took the short with me and left a good gap? Because if you left it at 50, you probably got cooked, to be honest. What was or maybe not. Let me see. I took the short right here. It went up. Yeah, it went up 62 points. So if you left your stop at 50 points like I normally do, you would have got stopped out, and then it went completely straight down. You have to put it at the stop of the candle here, or up here. But yeah, it definitely had to be up here. Market structure reasons. $90 profit. Congratulations, brother. Hey, a win is a win. Green is green. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if this thing wants to continue flushing, because that would be great. Yeah. Hit down, bro. 2 micros. Hey, it's a start, bro. I'm glad you guys took the short with me, man. I really do. It did seem like a good short, you know. We could sell 5 if it gets here. How about that? If it gets there. If
Order
not,
submitted.
it's going to stop me in profit at 310. Let's see. Let's see which one comes first. And then we'll leave 5 micros running. I know. I should have just left the whole thing, but we got to take profit as we go. We don't want to leave money on the table. Let's go. Hey. All right, here we go. It's about to hit that Asia low. Be careful, guys. It's about to hit Asia low. It's coming for that Asia low right here. Look at the little dots. This is a swing low on the 1 hour, which is Asia low. It might do a fake out and not hit it and then pop up. So just be careful with that too. Make sure you have your stops in the right place. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Down, bro. Down. Oh, no, it's coming up for my stop. It's coming up. Oh, man, so close.
Order canceled.
So close. It knew I was there. It knew I was there. It was like, take David out of here. They're watching the live stream. All right, guys. So, yeah, like I said, 1,527 on the eval. We're definitely lowering the consistency on the eval. So we're getting one step closer. One step closer. If you guys are still in the trade, congratulations. But yeah, I mean, we did go through some pain and suffering here on this drawdown. Very close to I have my stop right here. Got very close. Luckily, we had a VWAP and all the EMAs to protect us from it going up. And if it ripped through that, then, you know, we might be looking for long if it ripped through all of that. But yeah, took me out in profit. We finished with 1,500. I did take some silly trades at the market open just to play around. But obviously, you had to erase that because I was doing 1 micro here and there, just playing with it. I was down, I think, 150 bucks. So it probably would have been up. Technically, I would have been up 1,000, what, 600 and something. That's all right. It's all good, guys. Hopefully, everybody took a little profit there. I appreciate you guys for watching the stream today. Probably going to end it just a little early just because, you know, the trade is done. This thing dumped. Finally, it was grinding to the downside, but we finally got the move we wanted. And we made 1,500 on Monday. How about that? Let's go. One step closer to passing this eval already. And the great thing about it is, so they have consistency on the eval stage, but on the funded stage, there's no consistency. So then we could take some pretty cool trades with that and not worry about being consistent. We just gotta, you know, stay profitable, obviously. Well, this is a great start to the week. 1,500. And the weekly win streak continues. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button so I can continue growing the channel. If you're still in the short, I would say a trail, you know, maybe not as close as I did, but definitely trail on the last candles, last wicks, you know. It's not a bad idea, or it might pop up. Look how close it is to the damn Asia low right here. Thank you guys for tuning in again, and make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends. This guy knows how to trade. This guy knows how to trade the orb. He's being green. He's not fake. He's very transparent. And there it is, guys. There it is. What are you gonna do? The VWAP helped us push it down. You know, this was showing very bearish. You know, multiple confluences. Yes, there was a chance. Right around here, it was like a 50-50 chance of what was going to happen, but we just had to hang on. Hang on for dear life, you know. Probability played out in our favor. And look, it's going down. If you didn't trail as close as I did, and you had it maybe right here, you still be in the trade, and you probably get this whole damn move. So I hope you're in there still short. If you took a long here, you played yourself, because there was no long to take anywhere here. Long would have been in play if it closed green up here, guys. It would have to close green up here to look for long. This is a downwards trend. This was a pullback. And there's your move to the downside. Why I took the short. The only thing that could have taken you out right here was this pop up right here. This little freaking pop, which is about 62 points. So like I said, ATR was 40 something. I decided to move my stop right above here. That would have invalidated my short if it popped up here for me. All right, guys. Thank you for watching Trading with David 305. You have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow 9 a.m. Be here. Have a great day. Look, hey, there it goes. Oh, I just tapped it. Damn it. Damn it. It is what it is, guys. I'm happy with that. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys are still trailing this or in there. It's just tapping the pivot point right now. I might shatter through that. And the swing low. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let me stop looking at this before I get some FOMO. Have a good one, guys. See you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. I hope you guys took the short with me. Have a good one.